Natural disaster facts. Blizzard. Blizzards are long snowstorms with high winds for 3 or more days. They are caused by cold air colliding or bumping into warm air. Drought. Droughts are caused by lack of rain over a long period of time. Deforestation is a common human activity that can lead to droughts. Earthquake. Earthquakes are the shaking or quaking of the earth. They are caused by a sudden, violent movement of the Earth's crust. Flood. Floods are caused by heavy rainfall or melting of snow that overflows rivers or other bodies of water. In United States, floods are the most common natural disaster. Heat wave. Heat waves are higher than normal temperatures in a region, which means place or area. Heat waves happens when high pressure in the Earth's atmosphere builds up and holds hot air on the Earth's surface. This decreases the chance of rain. Hurricane. Hurricanes are giant swirling storms that develop in the warm ocean. They are accompanied by severe thunderstorms and high winds up to 160 miles per hour. Hurricanes are also known as typhoons and only occurs at specific times in the year. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorms come with lightning, high winds, and usually heavy rain. Sometimes it even comes with hail, sleet, or snow. These storms happen when there is a surge of warm, humid air. Tornado. Tornadoes are a destructive column of air sprouting from funnel clouds over land or sea. They have wind speeds from 100 up to 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes have many shapes and sizes, but normally looks like a spinning funnel. Tsunami. Tsunamis are huge ocean waves that can reach heights of 100 feet. Tsunamis are caused by underwater earthquakes pushing a surge of water onto land. Wildfire. Wildfires are most often started by humans in dry weather, then fueled by strong winds. Wildfires are forest, brush, or bush fires. They are dangerous and unpredictable. Landslide. Landslides, they are most often caused by heavy rain, earthquakes. Avalanche. Avalanches are a large amount of snow, ice, or rock moving quickly down a slope. It will bury or sweep away anything in its path, making it deadly. Volcano. Volcanoes are cone-shaped openings on Earth's crust through which ash, lava, and gas escapes. They caused a natural disaster when they erupt, sending ash clouds into the air and lava onto the ground. Whirlpool. Whirlpools are the meeting point of water moving into opposite direction. The water moves rapidly in a circle, producing a depression in the center into which floating objects are drawn. They are very common at the bottom of waterfalls.